Hello everyone, this is Mr. Appelt, and we're going to switch this quadratic from standard form to vertex form using some completing the square magic. So here we go. So what I'm going to do, remember that our goal is to get the equation to look something like this. And so that's where the completing the square comes in, because if you remember in completing the square, you end up with an expression that's squared. And so we're going to use that. We're not going to solve an equation here, but we're going to use the same trick that we use to get an equation to look like that. Okay, so it's going to look a little weird, but just trust me. So we're going to subtract the 15 from both sides. So I'm going to have a y minus the 15. I'm going to leave a space. Remember that from completing the square. So I'm getting the x's isolated by themselves on the right side, everything else on the left. Now what I'm going to do is find my magic number. Remember, it's the same way we did it before. It's the b over 2 squared, so that's negative 6 over 2 squared, which is negative 3 squared, which is 9. So we're going to do the magic number. We're going to add the 9 to both sides. So on the left side, let me change pens. Now we have y minus 6 equals, and on the right side, remember the magic, because we did the magic number, that now factors to look like this, and the other number is the b over 2 before you squared it. So again, no work to be done here. It does it by itself. It's like magic. So the minus 3 goes right in there. So now we've got this expression with the x minus 3 squared that we were looking for, so that it's going to look like vertex form. Only thing we have left to do is now get back to y equals. So I'm going to just add the 6 to both sides, and we end up with that. And that is our equation in vertex form. That's all. Thanks.